see, this is what I'm talking about, bro. This is where the film actually does well. Right off the bat, you got two privileged asshole frat boys who get murdered. Bonus points for Leatherface. He just killed two future rapists.
You think it's a good idea to keep making jokes about rapists, Sonny?
I mean, it's better than making jokes about rape, right?
You should kind of walk in the line there, though.
I mean...
Whoa, what? Guys, don't be like my friend here who didn't do anything. Not doing anything is part of the problem.
Bro, this is the best part of the movie. Bill Moseley right here kills it. His character, Choptop, is the highlight of the movie.
Maybe the new music's...
You know, if Sako was in the movie, his character would be called Crop Top. He'd have like a cut-off shirt, cut-off shorts, have a switchblade Prince Albert through his urethra so he could lure guys in, and then...
I don't think so, Sonny.
Yeah, no one's gonna touch you, Sako.
Isn't that closer to what you wear?
I mean, yeah, I guess.
Leatherface, you bitch! Look what you did to my Sonny Bono wig duo! Oh, God damn, I can't believe it!
See, I don't think rubbing your chainsaw up against someone's labia through their fucking jean shorts is a good way to court them. Hey, Sako, you think he gets all horned up and goes and sticks his dick in an industrial-sized leaf blower? Can you imagine him talking to all the guys at the bar, still with a dead skin mask on? Yeah, I'm dating this Swedish gal. Real sturdy. Her name is Husqvarna.
Is Husqvarna a Swedish company?
I actually have no idea.
Favorite drug. Be careful of the splatter. You gotta be careful of the splatter. Oh, great grandma in chainsaw heaven. Please don't.
Man, like Sako, this is the shit that gets my dick soft.
Is this gonna be another rape joke?
No, oh no. It's not a rape joke. No, it's not a rape joke. It's not a rape joke. But this is the shit that gets my dick soft. Like, the original scene. Here's the original scene, right? Like, dude, perfect. That shit gets me fucking hard, Sako. But you know how hard it gets me? Like, basketball shorts, no underwear, like, just mad 3-song lap dance, just grinding hard, right? Hard, okay? And let me tell you something, alright? Let me tell you something. She's gonna have to change her outfits afterwards, because if not, everybody's gonna see the stains, and everybody's gonna smell them. That's how hard it gets me. You know what I mean? This shit, fucking limp ass dick, Sako. Terrible. Like, just leave it alone. Bill Moseley is great, but come on, bro. Lightning doesn't strike twice. Leave it alone. Hey, this is what I don't get about this Leatherface. Like, did he cut off someone's face and wear it like the original? Or is that just a bunch of mishmash parts he sewed together? Like, is that a soul patch on his face or somebody's landing strip?
You're reading way too much into this.
Sako, I need to know this shit. Does he need a razor blade or a Brazilian wax?
Is it wet? It's wet. Put it down.
See what I mean, Sako? Like, again, they're trying to replicate the original. Like, this ending is fucking loose ass butthole. Like, it's fucking terrible, dude. Kills the whole film.
Burn it!